course it's chaos. I mean, we're all chaos. Right. Hi guys, today I decided to do something very interesting, at least for me, and I thought I can also share it with you. I don't know if you've seen those videos where people just splash acrylic paint all over the place and they get those really artistic paintings in the end, and I'm gonna try to do one of those. I saw that and I thought, how hard can it be? So I ordered some acrylic paint and everything we need. I'm gonna show you in just a little bit, and we're gonna try to create something original. Probably not, but it's gonna be my first painting. So from the videos it looks very easy, you know, it's very straightforward. You just use whatever technique you want. It's very freestyle painting. You splash everywhere or like you pour, and you get an awesome painting that you can put up on your wall or you try to sell. Yes, I saw some videos where people actually try to sell their paintings. This girl posted this painting on eBay and people started bidding for it, and it got up to, I don't know, 100,000 or something crazy like that. But don't get too excited. This is a scam, okay?
It's not gonna happen.
People are not actually gonna buy it. They don't. I'm not an artist, I'm just doing this for fun. I'm very excited to do this. I haven't been drawing or painting since, I don't know, maybe 6th grade. It would be interesting to see how this turns out. Yeah. So I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. And let's get right into it. So, guys, here we are. This is part of what I got. Whoa, this is huge. I expected like mini. This is pretty good. Okay. And some basic brushes, which are pretty cool, actually. But these will be for another time. And of course, my favorite little air balloons. And here are my canvases that I ordered. They're looking pretty good, and they're quite big as well. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the liquid that I use to mix with the paint so that it's more liquidy, and also I don't use that much paint. You can use water as well, but the mix is not going to be as concentrated. Yeah, I don't know why I'm showing you this, but hey! And here is our improvised setting, a bit silly as you are about to see. You know, with the birds and the flies around and the wind. Where do I start?
Do your thing. Nice.
Let's see how this ends. Surprise, surprise, not enough cover, baby. Yep, what you see there that looks weird is because the paint started to dry out while I was exploring my filming career. And here, a fly landed on my painting, completing its life journey, creating a masterpiece. Now this was a disaster. The paint was already too dry for this to work properly. But hey, we did it anyway, because we can. And here, of course, my phone stopped filming because the memory was full. Okay, obviously that was a disaster. But hey, at least now you know. It takes a little bit more preparation than you would think. Other than that, it was incredibly fun and super entertaining. All these things I mentioned, they really happened. That was not the plan of the video, okay? The video was supposed to be very elegant and beautiful, but the process, you know, with everything that happened, I just decided to turn this into a funny video, rather. I still like the painting. I mean, I really do. And it's my first painting, so probably I'm not even gonna try sell it. I'm gonna keep it. Unless, of course, you guys have some, you know, special offers. Feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I'll check them out, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna call this painting one more time. Flawed. Because it is flawed, you know? I think it suits it very well. Of course it's chaos. I mean, we're all chaos. There's just one thing, I don't know if you've noticed, that really like strikes me every time I look at this painting. That's the only thing I don't really like. And I wonder, can you spot what it is? I'll give you like 10 seconds. What do you think I don't like about the painting? Or like annoys me? For those of you who guessed it, you guessed it. It's this. I mean, I'm not gonna say it. It's very annoying. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you had noticed that before I told you. That's very interesting to me. Yeah, I just want to know how other people see it. Anyways, that was so much fun, and honestly, it's totally worth it if you're into that kind of stuff, if you're working a serious job. I mean, something like this can really take the stress off, and you just forget about everything and just enjoy yourself. Yeah. It feels awesome to have a painting of your own. And I have more, so I'm gonna continue doing this, but probably with in the proper way, you know. I'm gonna try to actually paint, and if it goes well, I'll show you what happens. Yeah. What do I have to say now? I forgot. I'm so awkward. Okay. Subscribe, like, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye! Ciao! That didn't work. I'll try again. Okay, that was fun.